U.S. President Barack Obama and top congressional leaders are looking into the possible options for dealing with an insurgent uprising in Iraq over the past week. The extremist group ISIL, or the Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant, has seized major cities in a swift move against the Shiite-led government of Prime Minister Nouri al-Maliki. Chairman of the U.S. Joint Chiefs of Staff, General Martin Dempsey.
I suspect, well, first of all, we have a request from the Iraqi government for air power.
You do?
We do. And
do you think it's in our national security interest to honor that request?
It is in our national security interest to counter ISIL wherever we find them.
White House Press Secretary Jay Carney reiterated what Obama has said in the past.
We continue to have an important assistance relationship with Iraq, and we always, in a circumstance like this, continue to be focused on our national security interests and potential threats against the United States and our people and our allies. But ultimately, the Iraqi people have to decide their future.
Meanwhile, U.S. House Speaker John Boehner, a Republican, didn't seem hopeful of Baghdad's ability to run itself.
The president's been watching what we've been watching for over a year as the situation in Iraq continued to be undermined. And yet nothing has happened to try to reverse it.
This as Kurdish security forces clashed with ISIL militants in Kirkuk as Maliki's forces work to slow ISIL's movement as they close in on Baghdad.